Riot Blockchain is set to acquire a Texas data facility for $650 million. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by Asanto Avandamano at Cointelegraph and brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. Riot Blockchain is continuing its Bitcoin mining expansion efforts. Reports suggest that the United States-based miner is set to purchase Whinstone US Inc, currently owned by Northern Data. The planned purchase was announced by Riot Blockchain in a press release, and the US Bitcoin miner is paying $80 million in cash, and the remainder will come from the sale of about 12% of its stock to Northern Data. Whinstone reportedly operates the single largest Bitcoin mining facility in the United States. It's based in Texas, and Whinstone's data center reportedly has a total capacity of 750 megawatts with an additional 300 megawatt expansion currently in the works. Now, indeed, upon the completion of the transaction, Riot Blockchain is expected to become the largest publicly traded Bitcoin mining enterprise in North America based on operating capacity metrics. Now, for Riot Blockchain, the Whinstone acquisition offers an opportunity for the company to upscale its Bitcoin mining capacity. And according to Riot CEO Jason Les, the path forward for the Bitcoin miner is one that involves increasing U.S. participation in the global Bitcoin mining landscape. In its own announcement of the deal, Northern Data revealed that the Whinstone sale to Riot Blockchain will not negatively impact its earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, otherwise known as EBITDA. According to the Northern Data release, the company's profitable multi-site strategy means that all previous EBITDA guidance for fiscal year 2021 remains unchanged. The planned $650 million Whinstone acquisition comes on the heels of numerous inventory expansion by the U.S. Bitcoin miner. Riot Blockchain has been pursuing a capacity expansion agenda in recent times, with its hashing power growing almost fivefold in 2020. The company's efforts are indicative of a larger push by Bitcoin miners based in North America to challenge China's hash rate dominance. Just to be transparent, I'm an investor in Riot Blockchain, and I'm kind of glad I am. So what do you think of the expansion by Riot into the world of mining? Let me know your thoughts, as always, in the comments. In this episode, well, it's brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. Now, Swan Bitcoin allows you to buy Bitcoin with dollar cost averaging, which is great. And you can buy as little as $10 worth of Bitcoin at a time. Now, I'm actually an advisor to Swan and even own a small piece of the company. So you pretty much know I'm going to like what they're doing over there at Swan. Now, if you use the link swanbitcoin.com/Gary, you can receive $10 worth of Bitcoin free for signing up. So take a look at swanbitcoin.com/Gary today and see what I'm talking about. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.